the day for Emmett to pick up his car. So his car's been here a little while. He's finally picking it up today. It's a big day for him. Hey!
Oh my god.
Okay, because we weren't able to use the other one, so now we scared Nikki on that one. Okay, good job. Hi, Renee. Sean's here. And Renee's doing stuff to the Supra. Pass by. The camera won't focus. Come on, camera. Do what you're supposed to do. Focus. Sean's here because he's building Z's. Saw it. It's a serious moment. His whole car's turning to carbon fiber. So we're just gonna give the camera over to Sheldon.
Hey, what are you thinking?
I want to drive this shit.
So drive it.
I want to break these carbon cylinders on your door.
No, you don't. Hey, do you love me?
Yeah.
How much?
Just the same as amount that you love Z's, I think.
Prove it right now. Do something to prove it. On the spot.
I don't have my phone. And I need
Get it. I can follow
What do
you.
I need to do?
I can follow you. I don't know. Prove it.
How much I love you though?
Yeah. Prove it right now. Whatever you want to do.
What's gonna make
I don't know. You tell me.
you feel loved?
You tell
What
me.
will make you feel loved? Do you like candy?
You tell me.
Maybe, oh, we could do a double hand hug.
Somebody would have to film. Prove it. You can't get out of it.
Okay. I'll be back. I gotta find.
No, I'm following you.
Oh, you're following me?
You can just. Okay.
Self-tapper? This way. I don't know. We're running from Shelby. Okay, self-tappers. What size?
Probably big.
Whoa, I found light bulbs. Big?
Light bulb.
These.
Okay,
Perfect.
let's go deliver them, and then you can prove
But
it.
then that doesn't prove my love to you.
You just have to prove it.
Okay. This proves my love to Sheldon is that you get more self-tappers.
Thanks, dude.
Okay, I love you.
Okay, high five.
This thing's gonna be cool. He found something.
I know how to make
Tell me.
you feel better.
Tell me right now. Where are we going?
For me to prove my love to you, I'm gonna, here, close your eyes, I'm gonna present you with a really cool
Okay.
gift.
They're closed. I think it's on me. Is it on me?
Okay, open your eyes.
Oh, hi, girlfriend.
Yay! Okay, we're done here. Ooh, Sean's got some hips now. Front and rear. Carbon. Looks good. Finally. Looks good. Hi. What's up, guys? Okay. We got some Norwegians here. Here's the Norwegians. They're working on a Supra. Not sure what they're doing. They're cleaning stuff. It's our final round in like a couple days, so Olaf's here. What's up, buddy?
Getting ready?
Getting everything ready on Mr. Chucky.
Mr. Chuck, you have to be good for the last round.
They're gonna be working on the car. We'll go back over there in a while if anything cool happens. I'm gonna take my windshield out of the Supra. And if you're wondering why I'm taking it out, it's because I'm gonna take the dash out so I can get in here, because I want this toggle switch right here, which is my spare one, with a breaker, so that'd be good to be set up for this cool suit box. Last round we got it to work, obviously, but it was not set up fully properly how we wanted, so I'm gonna get in there so I can see behind. It's just too hard to lay upside down and like do wiring at the same time back in behind that blue panel that has my toggles on it. So we're gonna get the windshield out, get the dash out, get in there, do some wiring, put everything back in, so then we'll have like, because you gotta take this chest in and out every time you're gonna add ice. I mean, sometimes you could add ice to it when it's in there, but if you're gonna dump out some of the warmer water and add new water and ice, no way that's happening in there because there's no way to dump it out. So you gotta take it in and out, which means it needs to be unplugged and plugged back in. So we're gonna make like a one plug that's real close to the thing, and then the other like wiring and stuff will be back inside there up to the toggle, so it's done properly. That'll help for this last round. It is the last round, but make it good for the last round. And then we're gonna do a couple other like once over checks on the Supra. We are going to check compression, valve lash on the cams and the buckets, and then we're gonna do alignment, do a couple little tricks to make it a little looser on the bank on that side so that we can keep it up against the wall, little things like that, and just look for any issues, bleed the clutch, and then I think we're pretty much going to be set. I don't know that all that will happen today, but over the next 2 days that's what we're going to do, and set up the trailer ready to head out to Urbandale. Luckily the drive is only 1 hour, but still got the same like before and after the rounds, like prepping and tear down and everything. So that's what we're doing today, and then hopefully TJ picks up his car in the next day or so. We have that one last piece. If it shows up in the mail, then we'll show you guys. We'll do an engine bay shot, this one and that one next to each other. Okay, I gotta get to work. Talk to you guys soon. So the dash already came out, went back in, and let me show you real quick. Just real quick. And then we got something else we're gonna do. Okay, so kill switch on, kill on. And it used to have LEDs, so that says LED, but listen to this, that's gonna go on. And that's that guy going. So I just ran nice RADGEN covered wire to a Deutsch connector, so now we would unhook this connector when we want to take this guy in and out, and it's real close to the corner, easy for Joe to get to, or one of the other guys when we're at the track. And then I have control of the switch right here, and it's not just like hardwired direct power. I don't know, it's just with like fuse and breaker, everything. Okay, so box just showed up from Turbo Smart, so let's open it up, see what we got in there. Pretty sure I know what it is, but they were rebuilding the gates, like our spare gates on the hyper gates, so let's see what's in here. They sent one of the two back, so what's in here? Oh my gosh, this is the new gate, the new Hypergate 45, guys. Check it out. Oh my gosh, this is nice. So this could bolt directly in place of the other one. Hopefully everything lines up identical, which it pretty much looks like it does, because then I can just run. Yep, it does. So I can just run these in place. Got some work to do now, because I think they'll bolt right in place, and I can run them for this round. So let's see if I can throw these guys in. And they have, the new gate has different style V-band. Might make it easier to go on and off. It looks like it would. So I'll check that out. And then let's see what else is new for this gate. So it has water in it. See, that's a water feed inlet there, and water feed outlet. So the one, if you can see the little like temperature gauge like you would have on the dash of your car for what temperature it is. So there's that little indentation built into the, it's like right here, into the housing, which will kind of show you that this is the air in and out for boost. And then this is water in and out. It's not mandatory that you do run the water, but it's a good feature to have, so then you can keep those gates colder, and they probably won't discolor like the other ones, and they probably would last even longer. Even though the gates kind of last forever, they'll get like little wear here and there, but they don't like really fail. The previous generation gates don't ever fail. I never had one fully fail, so they're just improving on what was already good, so that's really cool. Let's see if I can get what I was already planning to finish, like to do finished, and then get on top of this, because I wasn't really planning to switch these because the other ones are working, but if they want me to use these, I'm gonna try and get them on for Urbandale. Okay, let me get started. Blue eyes, Norwegian.
You have blue eyes.
Isn't he beautiful, everyone? Hey, we got more Norwegian people here. Toriander, or
It's nice to be here.
say your name so we can pronounce it correctly.
Tor Anders Ringnes.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna be able to do that one. Maybe Toriander? Okay, that might work. He'll teach me a little better, and then his girlfriend and
My photographer in the team.
yeah.
I'm the photographer.
Photographer, girlfriend. So we're gonna hang out with him for a little bit. But you could check out what he's up to on, he has a YouTube,
Yeah.
what's it called?
Just my name, Tor Anders.
Okay, so you guys check that out. He does drifting in Norway. See what he's up to. Bunch of people gathering underneath the car to look at Joe's beard. I trimmed it. Dang it, you did trim the beard. Just a little bit. Split ends. Hurry up, Vicha! They're waiting for you. I think, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vicha. Happy birthday to you.
How young are you?
Yeah.
29.
20.
You're this many.
28.
28.
28. Thank you so much.
It's Vicha's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday, everyone. Alright, back to the Supra. Red, white, and blue. Okay. I just like Supras that are red, white, and blue. Okay, there's Vicha. He's getting ready for Irwindale, flexing. Oh, and Vicha will be with us this round. Ooh, white Supra out there. Oh, the lighting was bad. Wait for it. Oh, there it goes. Renee's going somewhere. Ooh, and there's another red one. And another blue one. Yay! 2 American flags. Okay, so went to get the polish parts for Lee's car, Lee and Dylan, Street Fighter LA. And when they come back from polish, they're all wrapped in cellophane like this so that we can not put our oily paw prints all over them. So we had all these pieces polished, then they're gonna go to powder coat, which gives it the chrome look. If you guys are wondering what that looks like, look at my valve covers. They're chrome blue. Okay, so now we're gonna head over to MB with these pieces. There was some other parts that are not done yet because they're more complicated and take a lot more time. So I'm gonna pick those up probably after Irwindale, and then that gives us like 0 time before SEMA, but we'll somehow make it happen. All right, let's go. Finish the cool suits in, dialed in. Ola had his car in and out of here. Mike Lang came over. Oh, but it's the end of the day and there's a bunch of people here. Maybe we might see a burnout. Okay, so Ola's did like a little coolant flush, some other maintenance on his car. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna do it.
Just around, we're still doing it.
You want to see some sick skids?
We were hoping that might do a burnout, but yeah, do a Prius skid. Whoa, TJ's car looks freaking good. Okay, so the day is over. It's his birthday.
Multi-language.
Yeah, it's his, yeah, there's a lot of languages happening here. They have their language of Norwegian, your language of like, I don't even know where this guy's from.
Czech Republic.
Oh yeah. Tomorrow, last day of prep before Irwindale, and then we'll bring you guys to Irwindale with us. But tonight we're gonna try and show the Norwegians around Southern California area, Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, have some fun. Whoa, these guys are wrapping up the rest of the shop, and okay, keep the camera still. We're leaving. Okay, bye guys, high five. Forgot one thing. Come this way with me and we'll show you something really quick.
Already.
It involves Renee's screen on her computer. What do you guys think it's gonna be? Website? Maybe. An auction? Maybe. How'd you guys guess an auction? Okay, let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3. FD is having a charity raffle, charity auction. So there's a couple cool items that other drivers have put up. Kind of missed the deadline and forgot to put up any like memorabilia or a part or a piece of my car, helmet, etc. But other drivers did some signed stuff. There's a lot of cool things out on the auction that are up for sale, like parts from Chris Forsberg's car signed, part from
Alec
Hollandale. Let's see, steering wheel, pictures of the cars, hats that have been signed, a couple cool things. So we will put the link to the auction in the description so you can check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later, good luck at Irwindale.